Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a microphone in Roblox Mobile. To begin, you must be 13 years old or older to access this feature. You will also need to verify your age, either by providing a valid government-issued photo identification or by confirming a phone number. This ensures a safe environment for all users. Remember, voice chat is an optional feature, so you can choose whether or not to enable it based on your preferences and comfort level. To verify your age, open the Roblox app and go to your settings. From there, select the Privacy tab. You will see an option to verify my age. Tap this and follow the instructions. This process typically involves uploading a clear photo of a government-issued identification, like a driver's license or passport, and then taking a quick selfie to confirm your identity. The verification usually takes only a few minutes to complete. Once your age has been successfully verified, head back to the Privacy section within your Roblox settings. You should now see a new option labeled Enable Voice Chat. This will appear as a toggle switch. Simply tap or slide this switch to the on position to activate the voice chat feature. After enabling it, a small microphone icon will become visible in supported experiences, indicating that you can now use your voice. When you enter a Roblox experience, keep an eye out for the microphone icon, which signifies that voice chat is supported. In-game, you can easily mute or unmute yourself by tapping the microphone icon located next to your avatar. It's crucial to remember and follow Roblox's community standards and guidelines at all times when using voice chat. This helps maintain a positive and respectful environment for everyone, ensuring a fun and safe experience across the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.